Welcome back, everyone. Let's finish off our discussion on the machine learning overview by briefly talking about the companion book we'll be using throughout the rest of the course. ISLR, or Introduction to Statistical Learning, is a freely available book that gives a fantastic overview of many of the machine learning algorithms we discuss in the course. And if you're serious about learning about machine learning, then you pretty much have to read Introduction to Statistical Learning. It's that good of a book. As a quick note, the code inside the book is meant for our users, but the math behind the algorithms is going to be the same regardless of the programming language used in development. So while our video lectures and notebooks are going to cover everything in Python, keep in mind if you refer to the book, some of the code is in R. But really, we'll just refer to the book as optional reading assignments for you to brush up on some more detailed aspects behind the machine learning algorithms. So throughout the course, we'll reference the book if there's an optional reading assignment that relates to the algorithm we're learning about. And what's nice is at the start, a few of the examples we're going to be working with are going to line up very nicely with the book content. So I can't really stress enough how amazing of a book this is, and I highly encourage you to check it out. And what's super great is the book is freely available. The authors are Stanford University professors that make the book freely available as a PDF online. To find it, all you need to do is simply Google search ISLR plus PDF, and pretty much the first or second link will have the free PDF to download. But let's go ahead and see the official website to show you how to get the book. Okay, here I am at Google. All we need to do is simply search ISLR into Google, and pretty much the first link you should see is this Introduction to Statistical Learning. Keep in mind you can buy a physical copy of the book, but it has a free PDF copy, so you don't need to actually pay for it if you just want the PDF. You should notice that on the first page, there is a download the book PDF, and currently, as I'm filming this, it's the 7th printing, although pretty much all the versions, the math in general is going to be the same across all of them. And you can simply click this link, and it will begin to download the PDF for you. Keep in mind it's kind of a large book, so your download may take a little bit of time, but eventually it will load up here. Again, it's just ISLR, or Introduction to Statistical Learning, or if you want, you can also just Google search ISLR and then add in PDF, hit enter, and eventually what it's going to do is show you the PDF link directly. But again, it's just a simple Google search of ISLR, Introduction to Statistical Learning, and it should pretty much be on the first link that you look up for PDF. Just click on this link and it will provide it for you. Okay, thanks, and let's move on to actually beginning to learn about machine learning algorithms with Python. I'll see you at the next section.